Hello friends, I am Jyoti Nihalani, working as a lecturer at Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we are going to learn how wine is prepared, which is also known as wine manufacturing process. So let's start with our topic. Wine making or wine manufacturing process. As we all know, making wine is not just an art, but there is lot of science involved in this process. Wine is made in 5 different steps. The steps are: first is harvesting, second is crushing and pressing, third is fermentation, fourth is clarification, fifth is aging and bottling. What is harvesting? The first step is harvesting. Harvesting is first most important step of this wine making process. It decides the quality of wine. While picking the grapes, it is important to make sure that sweetness and acidity of grapes are in perfect balance and they are not damaged. Harvesting can be done by hands or by machines. In old days, harvesting was done by hands mostly, as it does not have negative impact on grapes. Machine destroys the quality of grapes to some extent. Once grapes are picked, they are taken to winery and then sorted out to remove unripened or rotten grapes. After the harvesting, our second stage comes, that is second step, crushing and pressing. Before crushing and pressing, white wine requires stains and seeds to be removed. So, for white wine, stains and seeds are removed using de-steamer machine. While for red wines, stains, seeds and skins are not removed so that it can give a required flavor and color to the wine. To extract juice, different types of crushers and pressers are used. Mechanical crusher and press such as screw crusher is mostly used nowadays in industries. After crushing and pressing, juice goes for the next stage, that is fermentation. In this step, it decides the quality of wine. As we know, the basic behind the wine making is conversion of sugar into alcohol with the help of yeast. Such process is known as fermentation. In this process, juice is kept in fermenter for many days so that fermentation process occurs properly. After fermentation process, which takes place for many days or months, alcohol is prepared, which is then sent to the next step, that is clarification. Basically, clarification means filtration. Here, solid particles, proteins, and dead yeast are removed from the juice using clarifier agents. Some winemakers use clay to remove the solid particles. When clay is added to the wine, the unwanted particles sticks to it and settle at the bottom of storage tank. Pressure technology is also used so that suspended particles get settled at the storage tank. After this filtration process, wine is transferred into other tank and is ready for aging stage. Our next stage comes is aging. For aging, wine is transferred to wooden barrels, stainless steels or bottles where wine is allowed it for further mature and to develop some flavors. Here wine is kept for months or a year. For red wine, wooden barrels are preferred, while for white wine, stainless steel tanks are used. When wine is ready, then it is sent to last step, that is bottling. Here bottling and packaging is done. So in this way we studied how wine is prepared, that is wine manufacturing process. I hope you have understood how wine is prepared, as I have covered all the major steps involved in this process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.